Let's talk workspace setup. I want you to think about three main things. First, make sure that your monitor is high enough so that you are looking at the top of it. This is going to help you avoid prolonged periods of looking down or up. Second, I want you to sit with your elbows around 90 degrees of flexion. And third, make sure you get some lumbar support like this one or even a rolled up towel to put behind your spine. You're going to scoot your hips to the very back of your chair, then slide it in. Now, as you can see, my spine is in a much better position for sitting. For laptop users like myself, you can get an adjustable stand or even a stack of books. Then you're going to want to grab a wireless keyboard and mouse to go with that. These small adjustments can make a huge difference. Let me know what you think about them in the comments.